The Daily Crypto Catch by Kalkine Media is brought to you by Crossgate Capital. Crossgate Capital is a specialist investor in cryptocurrencies, a Kiwi company providing a smart way to invest in crypto through shares. Crossgate Capital's diversified portfolio includes Bitcoin, Ethereum and other leading cryptocurrencies. To learn more, simply visit www.crossgatecapital.co.nz.
Hello there, I'm James. Great to have your company on Kalkine TV, and this is the Daily Crypto Catch brought to you by Crossgate Capital. Let's now catch up on the past 24 hours from the crypto space. Fund manager and billionaire Bill Miller has claimed he is so bullish on Bitcoin that 50% of his personal assets are now tied to Bitcoin, according to an interview with WealthTrack published on Friday. Miller made headlines as a fund manager at Legg Mason, where he beat the S&P 500 index for a record-breaking 15 years in a row from 1991 to 2005. The fund manager has been an outspoken advocate for Bitcoin, but his revelation about his personal portfolio was new. Miller had previously bought Bitcoin for just $200 a piece in 2014 and then halted his Bitcoin purchases until last year, when its price began to fall following a period of unprecedented growth from January to April. Miller said he thinks of Bitcoin as, quote, digital gold, and has only recently allowed himself to be called a Bitcoin bull because he feels that the crypto has now worked itself into a game-changing technology. Bitcoin has moved to just below US $42,000 at the time of writing. And now let's take a very short break and we'll be back with news in the altcoin space as well as the day's big winners and losers. Stay tuned.
Tune in to stay updated while on the move.
We will tell you where the crypto craze has reached,
Where the property market is headed next.
what the world is doing to become more environmentally friendly.
Apart from tracking the daily market charter.
Be on top of the latest news and announcements
With Kalkine TV.
Welcome back to the Daily Crypto Catch on Kalkine TV, brought to you by Crossgate Capital. Let's now take a look at news from the altcoin space. This morning saw almost every single altcoin in the red as the crypto market continued its downward spiral since November last year. By 4:30 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, Binance Coin was down almost 7%, while Cardano and Polkadot were down almost 11%. The downward trend has likely been influenced by rising US interest rates, which the Federal Reserve says are in service of reducing the US balance sheet this year. Moving on to today's winners and losers, Near Protocol has risen 13% in the past 24 hours, while BitCub coin climbed 10% over the same period. Meanwhile, IoTeX dropped 5% in the past 24 hours, and Seek VR also fell by 5%. And that's all for today's Daily Crypto Catch. Stay tuned to Kalkine TV for the latest market updates, business news and exclusive interviews. I'm James, signing off for now.